Did you get it? Can you clap? Say, yay, I did it. Yay. Yeah, I think they're getting too full. Gotta take some out so they can roll down. Maybe some more? Uh-oh. What you doing, Bailey? James, what are you doing? You playing? Push it down first. Good job. Yay! James is almost 15 months. And it's only March, but today was 84 degrees, so James is wearing... Oh, you're okay, buddy. James is wearing shorts for the first time this spring. It's 2012. And James is having fun playing with his new money machine. We've had it for a while, but he's never played with it before. Somebody gave it to us. He's doing a pretty good job, but he's getting kind of frustrated at himself. I have a very loud child. It's okay, baby. Just do one at a time. Good job. Yay. Mommy's so proud of you. Oh, it's okay. James, can you talk nicely, please? Can you be a sweet boy? Can you be a sweet boy for Mommy? Thank you. Just one at a time, buddy.